This is a brief video to walk through how to use the budget proposal prioritization tool. Before using the tool, read through the instructions and assumptions on the web page. The interactive tool has two sections. The top section details revenues, expenditures, and the general fund for each fiscal year. For reference, we include 2019 actuals and 2020 estimates. The focus is on preliminary 2021 and 2022 budget numbers. The next row shows the revenue surplus for each fiscal year, followed by the fund balance at fiscal year end. The portion of the fund balance that is committed or reserved is called out on a separate row, with the remaining unassigned fund balance calculated below. As you select budget proposals from the list below, the cumulative impact will calculate on these corresponding rows. Below the general fund overview section are the budget proposals, with one-time items listed above the budget proposals that have ongoing financial impacts. To activate a budget proposal, enter a Y for yes in place of the default no setting. For each proposal you select, the corresponding financial impact will tally above. At the top of the one-time changes section are two of the city's long-term liabilities: the firefighters pension fund, which is Fund 606, and the left one, long-term care reserve. Enter a one-time contribution amount in the corresponding yellow cells to see their impact on the unassigned general fund balance. And then you go to the corresponding yellow cell and mark a Y to activate and see the cumulative impact. Remember, only edit in the yellow cells. And if you edit in a non-yellow cell, the form is going to lock and your notes within the tool will be lost. Just refresh your browser and you'll be able to reopen the budget proposal